हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। आप सभी कैसे हो। एज यू वेल नोन, फॉरवर्डिंग आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ यूनिट सेल। टुडे our topic is different types of unit cell. Which topic? Types of unit cell. Today our topic, types of unit cell. Students, unit cell can be divided broadly. Unit cell can be broadly divided from two parameters. How many parameters? Two parameters. Unit cell can be broadly divided on the basis of two parameters. First parameter, position of constituent particle, constituent particle, constituent particles. Your first parameter is position of constituent particle. And second parameter, interfacial angles, interfacial angles and edge length. Your second parameter is interfacial angles and edge length. Students, we will focus on first parameter, position of the constituent particle on the unit cell. On the basis of position of constituent particle on the unit cell, the unit cell divided into two major group. First is primitive unit cell. Primitive primitive unit cell, and second is centered unit cell. On the basis of position of constituent particle, the unit cell categorized in two. First is primitive unit cell and second is centered unit cell. Students, next parameter, the on the basis of interfacial or axial angles and axial distance or edge length. On both parameters, the unit cell divided into 7 crystal system. How many crystal systems? 7. First is cubic, second is tetragonal, third is orthorhombic, fourth is hexagonal, fifth is rhombohedral, seventh is six is monoclinic, and last and 7 is triclinic. Student, first of all, I will focus on table 1.3 on the basis of axial distance and axial angle. The unit cell categorized in 7 crystal system, which is explained in table 1.3 in your NCERT textbooks. Students, you will be see in this table when all sides are equal, A is equal to B is equal to C, and all angle is equal, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Which conditions involve? When all sides are equal and all angles are equal, that crystal system is known as a cubic crystal system. Second, when third edge length is different, means when third side is different from these both, third is different from these two, but all angles are same. Which conditions allowed? Third side is different from these two and all angles are same. This crystal system is known as a tetragonal crystal system. Students, next condition, when all sides are unequal, all sides are unequal, but all angles are equal, are same, that position is created third crystal system named as orthorhombic crystal system. All sides are unequal, all angles are equal. Which type of crystal system is generated? Orthorhombic crystal system is generated. Students, next, hexagonal crystal system. When third side is different from these two, which conditions allowed? Third side is different from these two sides. In case of angle, alpha and beta angle is equal, but gamma angle is different from these two angles. Which conditions allowed? Third side is different from these two sides. Alpha and beta angle is same, but gamma angle is different from these two alpha and beta angles. These conditions generates a new crystal system which is known as a hexagonal crystal system. Students, next crystal system is a rhombohedral or trigonal. When all sides are equal, but all angles are equal, next you will care here. In this case, all sides are equal and all angles are equal, but all angles are not equal to 90. All angles are equal, but this is not equal to 90. Which condition allowed? All sides are equal, all angles are equal, but all these angle is not equal to 90. Students, these conditions generates a new crystal system which named as rhombohedral or trigonal systems. Next system, students, monoclinic system. When all sides are different, alpha and gamma angles are equal, but beta is not equal from these two angles. Which conditions are allowed in this case? Please care. All sides are different. Alpha and gamma angles are equal and equal to 90. But beta is different from these two angles and not equal to 90. And not equal to 90. These conditions generates a new crystal system which named as monoclinic crystal system. Students, next and last crystal system is triclinic crystal system. In this case, you will see all sides are unequal. And all angles are also unequal and not equal to 90. Which conditions allowed? Please care. All sides are unequal. All angles are unequal and not equal to 90. These conditions are generates a new type of crystal system that is known as a triclinic. Students, I will focus here. Already you remember all examples of the crystal system. Next, in this case, the column possible variations explain after some time. I hope you're clear. Table 1.3 what is the crystal system belongs in unit cell. तो total number of unit cell 7. Total number of crystal system belongs equal to 7 in case of unit cells. I hope you are clear. Students, next I will discuss about on the basis of position of constituent particle in the unit cell. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स हम आपको सिखाएंगे कि यूनिट सेल के क्रिस्टल सिस्टम के ऊपर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल above unit cells. That is the your unit cell or crystal system, cubic type. Which type of crystal system? Cubic. So here students, I will discuss position of the constituent particle on the unit cell. Position of the constituent particle. Position when constituent particle arranged at all corners of the unit cell. which situation created? When all constituent particles present are arranged at only all corners in the unit cell. Only on which? Only at all corners in the unit cell. This type of arrangement on the unit cell is known as primitive unit cell. Which type of unit cell? When constituent particle present at or arranged at all corners on the unit cell or at the unit cell, this is known as a primitive unit cell. I hope you are clear. Students, next I will discuss here what is the centered unit cell. Centered unit cell. Students, suppose a crystal system, any cube type crystal system. Cube type crystal system. Which type of crystal system? Cube type. Cube type. Cube type crystal system. Students, focus to the point. When arrangement of constituent particle corner as well as faces body center, then this unit cells is known as a centered unit cell. When constituent particle arranged only at corner, that unit cell is known as a primitive unit cell. But arrangement of constituent particles present at corner as well as another places like face, body, center, etc. in the unit cell, that system is known as a centered unit cell. I hope you are clear. I will try back to explain. Only arrangement of corner, then this arrangement is known as a primitive unit cell. But next system, when arrangement of corner as well as other places like face, like body center, etc., then this type of unit cell is known as a centered unit cell. Students, next I will clear centered unit cells again divided into three types. Centered unit cell divided into three types. First is known as body centered, body centered unit cell. Second is face centered, face centered, face centered unit cell. And third is end centered unit cell. End centered unit cell. End centered unit cell. Students, I will explain one by one. First, face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. In short, you called as FCC. In short, you called as FCC. F means face, C means centered, C means cubic unit cell. F means face, C means centered, next C means cubic unit cell. Students, here suppose a cubic unit cell. Suppose cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell. When arrangement of constituent particle, corner as well as all faces, that is top face, that is top face, that is right face, that is down face, that is left face, that is front face, that is back face. Back face. Back face. So students, in case of face centered unit cell, you will see here, when constituent particles arranged all corners as well as all faces, as well as all faces. Like here, like here, all corners, all corners, all corners, and all faces, and all faces, and all faces. Here, suppose ये यूनिट सेल, all corners, all corners, and all faces, and all faces, top face, right face, down face, left face, front face, and back face. When constituent particle present at all corners, and all faces, top, right, down, left, front, and back. This system is known as a face-centered unit cell. Students, here we will discuss in last unit cell, body centered unit cell, body centered. In case of body centered unit cells, students, constituent particles present at all corners, as well as body center in the unit cell, body center in the unit cell, body center. Which system, which arrangement? Constituent particle present at all corners, as well as body center, This arrangement of the system is known as a body centered unit cell. Students, I hope you're clear. That's all today. Thank you for watching and listening.